Hi, Philip Griffith here again, and now there are only 10 weeks till Christmas, and as your professional photo organizer, I'd like to recommend that you consider making a celebration board. These can be about a person or an event. Either one, there are lots of things to do celebration boards for, and there are lots of places for them. I've got clients who send them off to their kids going off to college so that they can remember family and sort of see the pictures of home, etc. in their college dorm. And one of the reasons for doing a poster size celebration board is just the joy and enjoyment that you get in looking at pictures in a larger size. There's something about seeing a lot of pictures in this larger format that people really enjoy and say it just makes them feel happy. So one more thing to consider now when you're thinking about doing a board, between 15 and 30, we've gone as high as 38 photos on a board is a good amount. That's about what you see here. The other thing that you can do with a celebration board is you can add a title and then captions for each of the photos. Again, that just helps people who aren't necessarily as familiar with all of the photos to know who the people are, where these things are happening, or just things to remind you of those people or the places. So again, if you have questions, love to talk to you. And remember, we're here to help you use your photos to tell your story so that they'll last for generations.